Hi everyone, I'm just taking off my makeup here and I wanted to show you what my skin is looking like 2.5 weeks after my second mesotherapy treatment. Make sure my skin's nice and clean. I will not use a filter on this video obviously, so that you can see. I'm taking my makeup off with micellar water from Garnier, and I am toning my skin now after taking off my makeup with a L'Oreal toner. This just kind of purifies the skin, takes any impurities out that are left from any makeup. Make sure your skin's well clean before going to bed. So now I'm gonna get a little close to the camera, but that's because I want you guys to see my skin, and throughout my videos you'll be able to see the more treatments I do, the way my skin changes. So here you go. This is second treatment in. I used to have many tiny lines here, which are all gone. My pores are also very small compared to before. You used to be able to see all my pores. That's my skin with nothing on it after my second treatment. So I do notice that all those little lines are gone. I notice my pores are tighter. So if you're interested in any serums or anything like that, you can always find me in an email at lc@hyaluron-kween.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can keep making videos. Have a great night. Bye.